Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to share something exciting with you, which is how to use Bybit to earn passive and massive income in the crypto space. So there are a lot of opportunity on Bybit by which you can use to earn passive and massive income with. So I've discovered something special about Bybit and I'm going to share it with you, both new and existing users. Please make sure to stay tuned to this channel. So Bybit is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the crypto market. So in this video guys, I'm going to tell you more on Bybit futures, trading interface, the security features, the customer support, and lastly how you can earn from the 150,000 USDT prize pool on Bybit. Alright guys, so first off I'm going to start with Bybit user interface. So Bybit offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned traders to navigate the platform effortlessly, whether you are trading Bitcoin, ETH, that is Ethereum, or any other major cryptocurrency. Bybit provides a seamless trading experience. Alright guys, so now let's talk about the trading interface. Bybit offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, future trading, and perpetual contracts, even P2P trading. For those of you that your national banks are restricted from some crypto activities, most especially if you living in Nigeria, for example, you can use Bybit to trade as well. Maybe convert your USDT to Naira, convert Naira to USDT. Alright guys, so with advanced trading features like leverage trading and customizable orders type, you have the flexibility to execute your trading strategy with precision. So now let me talk about security. Of course, security is paramount when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. Bybit takes security seriously, employing industrial leading measures to safeguard your assets with features like cold storage, two-factor authentication, which is very important. So I recommend you use two-factor authentication, which is very important, and it also has a real-time monitoring. You can also trade with peace of mind knowing your funds are secured. In terms of security guys, Bybit is the best. Because I'm a user of Bybit, I know Bybit is the best. The security is okay, especially when you are using two-factor authentication. Very important guys. You can trade with peace of mind. That one is there. You can trade with peace of mind. So now let me take you to the customer support. So there are a lot of cryptocurrency exchange, but before you get a response for them is very hard. But Bybit, you can use Twitter, you can use the official app, you can use any of their social media means to get to them. So in terms of helping the customer, Bybit, they are good at that. So Bybit commitment to the customer support is very good. Whether you have a question about trading or need assistance with your account, Bybit dedicated support team is available 24/7 to provide prompt and helpful assistance to you. So Bybit is a good exchange for you to use. So the reason for this is because very soon I'm going to show you guys how you can earn passive income on Bybit, because there are a lot of airdrop opportunities on Bybit you can participate in to get some potential reward. Mostly they are free reward. At times you don't even need to do any major thing, but you can be eligible to get some Bybit reward. You can P2P with Bybit, which is very good and easy to use. Alright guys, so there are a lot of opportunities on Bybit by which you can use to earn passive income. And for those of you that don't have a Bybit account, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Make sure to use the link to open a Bybit account. So you can open a Bybit account on the web version, or better still, you can go to your Apple Store or Play Store and download the Bybit app. So now what you just need to do is to click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, make sure to put down your email address. If you want to use the email section, you can also use the mobile section. Make sure to put down your country code, put down your mobile number, then create a password. Then after that, make sure to put my code as well here, as you can see on the screen. So for you to use my code, for you to use my link, you are going to get some percentage of reward up to 30% above from your first deposit, which is massively good, guys. So for you to reward, and at times you can get a rebate as well. So make sure to use my link, make sure to use my code. Very important for you to get some additional rewards. But very soon, guys, I'm going to make a video on how you can use Bybit P2P, especially those of you that are in Nigeria. So guys, for you to earn from the prize pool of 150,000 USDT, what you need to do is to visit the site. I'm going to drop it at the description of this video as well. And for those of you using mobile device, I'm going to show you guys how you can get to this section. And if you are using the web version, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So if you are using a mobile device, please make sure to watch this. Alright guys, so what you need to do is to log into your Bybit app, or you can use the web version if you want, using your default browser. So now what you need to do now is to click here. After clicking on that search tab, you look for Vent. Alright guys, so look for Vent, click on it. So what you need to do is to get some amount of Vents, maybe $100 above or 1k dollars above. So after getting that amount of Vent, what you just need to do, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. Like I said, make sure to copy the link, take it to your default browser, click on it, make sure to log in. After you have logged in, then you can participate in this campaign, which I'm going to continue from here. Alright guys, so that is how you can navigate to this section on your mobile device. Alright, so for you to earn from this prize pool, what you need to do is to deposit and trade Zent. So Zent is a cryptocurrency token that is on Bybit, and from the 150,000 USDT prize pool. So this campaign is going to end in 11 days 22 hours as a return of making this video. So what you need to do is to create a Bybit account. Very important. Make sure to use my link, make sure to use my code, create a Bybit account, then you just click on sign up and register. All right, so after that, what you just need to do, there are two different means by which you can earn 20 USDT. Apart from this 20 USDT, there is another means by which you can earn up to 1000 USDT. But first, I'm going to start with this 20 USDT. So for you to earn, what you just need to do is to just trade Zent. So for the first tax, you can deposit at least 5,000 Zent, or you can deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT of Zent on your first spot trade. So for those of you that are going to open an account after watching this video on Bybit, you can get 20 USDT for free by just trading Zent. So you deposit at least 5,000 Zent, or tax 2, you deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT of Zent on your first spot trade. So immediately you are opening a Bybit account, just make sure to perform this so that you can earn free USDT. So for the second step, trade and earn from 50,000 USDT prize pool. So this campaign also is going to end 11 days 22 hours. So what you just need to do is to log in and register for the event before the start. So complete tasks during, you can see the duration for the complete tasks. Trade at least 1000 USDT worth of Zent on spot to earn up to 1000 USDT. So for this section, they are going to distribute 50,000 USDT to eligible users. And what you need to know, your final allocation equals to your trading volume all over total trading volume of all participants times the prize pool. Then you are going to get your reward. So the higher the trade, the higher your reward. Alright guys, so this is what you need to know about Bybit. So I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friends in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.